In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Smartsheet license. Whether you're managing personal projects or leading a large team, having a Smartsheet license can significantly enhance your workflow and boost productivity. Let's explore the two main paths you can take to obtain a license, making sure you have all the information you need to make the best choice for your needs. First, if you're looking to get a license for yourself and you're not currently an admin, here's how you begin. Start by logging into your Smartsheet account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen, where you'll find your profile icon. Click on this icon, and from the menu that appears, select the Plan and Billing Info option. This section is where you'll find crucial details about your current plan, as well as the options available to you for an upgrade. Next, look for the Upgrade Options button and go ahead and click on it. This action will present you with a variety of plans, each tailored to different needs. Depending on what you're looking for, you can choose from plans such as the Pro, Business, or Enterprise options. Each of these plans comes with its own unique set of features and benefits, so it's worth taking a moment to assess which one aligns best with your objectives. Once you've decided on the plan that suits you, proceed with the payment process by following the on-screen prompts. You'll just need to complete your purchase, and your new Smartsheet license will be activated. It's a straightforward process, and before you know it, you'll have enhanced capabilities at your fingertips. Now, if obtaining a license on your own isn't possible or isn't your preference, there's another path to consider. You can request a license from your Smartsheet system administrator. Start by reaching out to your admin, clearly expressing your need for a Smartsheet license. It's always a good idea to communicate why you require this access, perhaps mentioning any specific projects or functions it will support. From there, your administrator will navigate to the Admin Center and head over to the User Management section. Here, they'll locate your name or profile. Once found, the admin will click Edit next to your account. In this menu, they'll see an option labeled Licensed User. By checking this box and saving the changes, you'll be granted a license, enabling you to use Smartsheet to its full potential. Both of these options are designed to make it simple and straightforward for you to get started with Smartsheet. Whether you're upgrading independently or working through an admin, you'll soon have access to the tools necessary for efficient project management and collaboration. That's all for today's guide. I hope you found it helpful and feel more confident in moving forward with obtaining your Smartsheet license.